Apple may have stumbled a bit with its so-called Apple Intelligence rollout, but don't worry, there's plenty of exciting stuff still on the horizon. This year, Apple is expected to shake things up in a big way. iOS 19 is rumored to bring the biggest redesign ever. The iPhone 17 Pro models are said to be getting a fresh new look, and we might even see the introduction of a brand new iPhone 17 Air, expanding Apple's already stacked lineup. But wait, there's more. A fresh leak suggests that 8K video recording might finally be making its way to the iPhone, setting the stage for one of the most exciting camera upgrades in years. A tipster on Weibo has hinted that Apple is planning to introduce 8K video recording on the iPhone 17 series. If this rumor turns out to be true, it could mark a significant step forward for Apple's camera technology. While Android smartphones have had 8K video recording for quite some time, Apple has been holding back, opting instead to refine its 4K video capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, for example, can shoot 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second, making them some of the best video recording smartphones available. However, they still don't offer 8K recording, which might feel like a missing piece, especially for professional content creators and videographers who want the highest possible resolution. Interestingly, before the launch of the iPhone 16 Pro, there were indications that Apple had tested 8K recording on the device. However, one key limitation may have prevented the company from enabling it: inconsistent zoom capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro's telephoto lens is limited to 4K resolution, which means that while users could theoretically shoot in 8K using the main and ultra-wide lenses, switching to the telephoto lens would force them back down to 4K. Since Apple prides itself on offering a seamless and intuitive video shooting experience, this discrepancy may have been a deal breaker. Now, things are changing. The iPhone 17 series is rumored to bring a massive camera upgrade, including a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. This means that all three cameras, the main, ultra-wide, and telephoto, would have enough resolution to shoot in 8K, effectively removing the biggest barrier that may have held Apple back before. Additionally, the upcoming A18 Pro chip should have more than enough power to handle the increased processing demands of 8K recording, ensuring smooth performance and high-quality results. But here's the big question. Do we really need 8K video on a smartphone? Sure, having ultra-high resolution footage sounds amazing, especially for large screens and professional editing workflows. But let's be real, most people don't even watch content in 8K yet, and the file sizes for 8K videos can be massive, eating up storage space in no time. Unless you're planning to shoot a short film or a high-end commercial, 4K already provides more than enough detail for most users. That said, Apple rarely adds features just for the sake of it. If 8K video does come to the iPhone 17 series, you can bet that Apple will have optimized it for real-world use. Whether it's improved compression to keep file sizes manageable or software enhancements that make shooting in 8K as seamless as possible, Apple is likely to bring a polished, user-friendly experience to the table. So, what do you think? Is 8K video a game-changing feature that you've been waiting for, or is it just another nice-to-have that most people won't really use? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.